What's up guys, it's Matt over at Speedhaus. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be giving an overview on our shop exits. Alright, first and foremost, we're going to go over some of the exterior stuff. We've had this car for a long time. It's been with us from the very beginning. It's my business partners, this is James's, but man, I've been all through this thing. The engine, drivetrain, everything's been out of it. To our knowledge, it's the most modified X6, especially a non-TU motor that you'll see. Why? Why not? Who knows? We just did it. Recap on the engine. I've had this thing out. It is a stock block, but it's been completely refurbished. We've got bigger turbos on it, running 100% meth injection on it. We built the inlets for it. All the meth set up here. And then other than that, it's just been just gone through. I mean, there's nothing too crazy on the engine itself as far as, you know, rods, pistons, any of that. We didn't go crazy with it, but mid 600s, E85, fuel pumps, that sort of thing. Exterior, this thing was a pile when James first got it. Literally a pile. It was like 9 different shades of black. So it's had completely paint job. It's been gone all through it. Carbon hood. We did it on air ride a while back, running a 22-inch set of Rohanas. We built this air ride setup about a year ago. We did a showcase video over the air ride, but the car itself we haven't really showed you guys much of. So flow tanks, dual 18-inch tanks, airlift, 3P management, Fire 480 compressors, and a custom trunk setup, all hidden but still usable. Exhaust wise, it's free flowing all the way through, has an X pipe and a muffler at the very back, then just out the rear half. It's all stock. I mean, I won't say stock because it's been modified, but it's not like a catback system. We had it built, you know, took it over the muffler shop type thing. It does sound pretty radical. The turbo spool has always been the craziest thing. That's what everybody says. Sounds like a ghost. But we have Alcantara wheel that's going to go away. This trim that's all going to go away. Got all that sitting inside, ready to go.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad and the good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say
the carbon fiber wheel, and then we got a really smoking deal on dry carbon for all the interior pieces. A bunch of this stuff is wrapped. It's been on there for a long time. Doesn't look the greatest. So we're gonna new and improved. And yes, before anybody says anything, we know they don't match. But finding stuff for an X6 is dang near impossible. So we just rolled with it. It's gonna look better than what's currently in it. So I'd say let's get started. I'll start by tearing the steering wheel out of it, and then we'll go from there. Pulling airbags is the worst thing ever. We fought the other one for so long the other day, especially on this style of steering wheel. Damn it, stop it. You wanna drive it? See that wheel? Now this is where I just make the horn honk repeatedly until it clicks into place. I'm doing this for you and the views, just so everybody can yell at me in the comments. then you can say, I told you so. If I was actually working on it where I had keyed power or something, then I'd be super scared. Did I ever tell you about the guy that turned the airbag module upside down? Is it in the console? So these, the like main crash module, it's in the console. He didn't unhook the battery, moved the console back, tilted it out of the way. Every airbag in the car went off. It's at the dealership. I'm like, yeah. Make a loud bang too. Ta-da, done. Carbon wheel installed. Now becomes the long part of all the rest of the stuff. So we have all of this piece, or both these pieces, the dash trim, all the door panels. If I'm not mistaken, they even sent the console pieces. That's what it looks like. front and rear doors. And yeah, so we start tearing apart the dash. Hey guys, I want to thank you for watching. Once again, this is our 2009 X6. It is an E71 body style. We just finished wrapping up all the interior swap. We went from the OEM piano black to the OEM carbon leather, or you can refer to it as dry carbon, but it's technically carbon leather. The swap on this one kind of sucked, to be honest, just because instead of clips, everything was bolted in on everything. So rear console had to come apart, every door panel had to come off, and then a lot of the trim on the top side had to come off. So we did all 4 doors, rear console, front console, and then we threw a gloss carbon wheel in while we were at it. I think on next steps, you know, if you guys like this type of car and you want to see more of it, we'll throw you guys up some clips of driving footage and exhaust clips and that sort of thing, because for a big giant tank of an SUV, it's pretty rowdy.